Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Parul and I make videos on a happier and a healthier lifestyle. Today I have an exciting video for you. I will be showing you how to enjoy delicious and affordable ready-to-eat dinners from Target. These are convenient meals to feed a family of 4 on a budget. I found these 4 tasty options at my local Target, so I will be covering these options. Each price is around $15 to $16 and they're perfect for the busy weeknight. So let's get started. The first one is mac and cheese with chicken and broccoli. So this one is a pre-packaged meal. It is creamy, cheesy and packed with protein, and the best part, it's ready in minutes and it will save you valuable time. So this is how it looks like, and if you can see the back side, they list the cooking instructions as well as the nutritional info. So I think the best part about is the quick preparation, and it is very balanced with all food groups, and it is a pretty family friendly meal. Next on my list are these nachos and beans with dips. It's a very fun and tasty option for your family, and it's incredibly easy to put together. So you can see that it has all the ingredients individually packaged, like the cans of beans, tortilla, these are organic ones, and the dip. So you can just slice in tomatoes and you will have a restaurant style nachos ready. Target also sells these packaged grilled chicken that you can add on it if you want to. For those who enjoy Asian flavors, we have teriyaki chicken and rice. It's a savory, sweet and satisfying meal that's ready in a snap. And lastly, we have chicken tacos with dips. Tacos are always a hit, and this kit makes dinner prep super easy. So there you have it, 4 fantastic ready-to-eat dinner options from Target, each priced at just around $15 to $17. Not only these meals will save you time, but they will also offer variety and flavor. So next time you are in a rush or looking for a budget-friendly dinner solution, head to Target and give these a try. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great meal ideas. See you in my next video, and as always, stay tuned for more tasty tips and tricks. Bye for now.